Hi everyone, thank you for watching my channel. This is Perry Trade. So if you're new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe. So this video is part 2. Okay, if this is your first time watching this video, I highly recommend that you stop watching this video and watch part 1, because you won't understand what the heck I'm saying in this video if you don't watch part 1 first. So stop this video and watch part 1 first, then watch this video. So in part 1, I had went ahead and created a brand new strategy using the Keltner channel and the Bollinger band, right? And I ran a test on the June 24th trading session, right, just recently, and I netted 1,200. So when we were analyzing the trades, we noticed that some of the trades, in my first video, I went ahead and tested out. I was just experimenting and using Bollinger Band Keltner channel, which is a great strategy. So I was just doing long only, I didn't work on the shorts, but just long only. And so I noticed that when some of the trades they were taking long on a red candle. So I said, okay, let me go back and let me change the setting to add break before taking a trade. Right at the signal candle, before taking a trade, you want to make sure that the next candle breaks the high of the previous candle. So that's what I did. So before it takes another once you get the signal candle to go long, the current candle has to break the prior candle's open. So the open of the new candle has to be higher than the open of the previous candle. So that's the setting that I had changed. Let me show you the setting really quickly. Let me just go into my strategy here. Strategy right here. So this is right here. So this is a strategy. So I have it here where, let me move this out the way. Hold on. So the strategy, let's see if I can find it. See, enter at break of candle. So basically what that means, I have it checked off. I didn't have it checked off on part 1, but I did have it checked on part 2 of this video. So what happened is, let me show you. Let me close that. So what happened before, let me just show you the trades. Let me minimize this really quickly. And so the strategy starts at 9:30, ends at 11 o'clock, and then resume back again at 1 o'clock, and it ends at 4 o'clock. So I have a 1 hour gap between 12 and 1, right? So you see the trades here. So this is a good trade. So I'm only going long. I'm only testing out with the long. Once I've tweaked this strategy and I'm satisfied with it, then I'll go ahead and add the conditions for the short. So you can see here, right here. So the strategy is that once, let's say you have the signal candle to go long, right? Now it won't enter at the signal candle. Oh, my battery's going dead. Let me plug my power. Okay. So let's say I go long, right? I get the signal, right? Before I go into a trade, this candle has to break the open has to be higher than the open of the previous candle before it goes in. So it takes the trade, so it won't just go in. So that was the option that I had checked off. But now analyzing the trades, Even though doing that I got more profit than I did last part one. I profited 1,200 and some change. This one I profited 1,300. I'm expecting a significant higher number. If you look here, I took 24 trades. I had 21 winning trades, losing trades 3. I had way more losing trade than the other one. I think I had 7. And 87% profitable. Look here, profit factor 2.37. Average winning trade $57.71. Not actually, average winning trade is 114. Average losing trade is 336. For me, that's kind of high. Max drawdown 1,010. All right, so like I said, this strategy I'm only doing long, that's why you don't see any short trades here. Let me close this. So if I'm analyzing and see how can I fix this, so I have actually three trades that go in. So I have one that has a take profit of my initial contract. There's 3 contracts actually. My initial contract is a take profit of 20. The second contract is a runner, so that moves up to break even once I reach take profit. And the third contract, basically what that is that just in case it's a reversal break limit, I believe. Let me show you really quickly. Let me go to the strategy. Let's go here. So let's see if I can show you. Okay, so you see here the second order is a break even after 20 tick, and then the third is a reversal break limit. Just in case it reverses, then it takes a trade. It takes a trade on the reversal side. So I'm wondering if that could be the problem, the issue here. So I have a reversal break limit and cancel. So if it continues going up, then after 5 candles, it cancels out. The break limit cancels out. And then I have a profit of 1. That could be the issue. And then here I have trail stop high and low. So maybe I have to tweak these settings here, or maybe just completely remove the third target. So let's just look at the trade really quickly. You can see here that I took in my target long. So why would it take it long on a red candle? I'm not sure why. Maybe because the signal came in here, right? As you can see here, the Keltner channel went below the Bollinger band. So this would be the signal, right? Then it would have to wait for another candle to break the previous open. This didn't break the previous open, didn't look like it. So I'm not sure why it went in here. So that was a losing trade. And then let's go here. That's a good trade. That's a good trade. That's a good trade. Hold on, I went too far. Hold on, did I go too far? 121, yeah, I did. So this is the afternoon session right here. So let's go back to the morning session. Let's go back to 9:30. All right, so this is the morning session right here. So I started right about here, right? I took some trades here. These were good trades, right? Then come 951. This is a good trade. This is a good trade. This is a good trade. And then 1030 here. This is a good trade. Here, my target. You see this? The third contract here took a long right here. I'm not sure why it took a long right here. I'm not sure. So I may have. What I'll do is remove that third contract and see if that will make a difference. So again, the strategy, I believe the strategy is solid. I just have to make a few fine tuning. So what I will do is remove the third contract, see if that makes a difference. This strategy, this Bollinger Band Keltner channel, definitely keeps you out of a choppy market. That's basically what it does. But the issue I have is sometimes, you know, the breakout usually, it rarely happens. Sometimes you'll get the breakout that happens like a couple of candles right before the reversal, and that's a challenge. So I'm going to try a different strategy, maybe support and resistance, maybe the Fibonacci levels too. I'm going to add that too, and see if it works. So for part 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the third contract and then run the strategy again on June 24th and see if I make more profit. So watch that. So watch the part 3. This would be the modification that I do on part 2. So again, I want to thank you for watching my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe. Also too, if you have any suggestion, please add that to the comment, or maybe, you know, we can probably open a Discord group and we can collaborate. And so I want to thank you again for watching my video. Please look out for part 3. Thank you.